Nestled in an ancient Milkwood forest, surrounded by rolling hills of fynbos and majestic mountains, Grootbos Private Nature Reserve offers you a variety of 5-star luxury accommodation options, each with their own breathtaking panoramic view of the ocean, allowing you to feel fully immersed in the pristine natural surroundings in complete comfort and style. True to its name, the warm and welcoming garden lodge is set amongst an Eden of beautiful landscaped fynbos gardens and indigenous trees. Fashioned from stone, thatch and timber, the garden lodge reflects African warmth with an intercontinental twist. In contrast, Forest Lodge features sophisticated architecture and contemporary design, where stone, glass and natural light abound. The perennial beauty of nature is framed and accentuated by its elegant lines, texture, and details. Nestled carefully into the natural gaps of the enchanting Milkwood forest, each of the freestanding suites of both lodges are stylishly furnished with luxurious canopy beds, spacious ensuite bathrooms, separate lounges with cozy fireplaces, and private wooden decks with spectacular panoramic views. The most exclusive offering in the Grootbos portfolio is the Villa. Set apart and completely surrounded by pristine fynbos, the villa consists of 6 elegant suites accommodating up to 12 guests. Here you can relax in over 1,000 square meters of utter luxury and comfort, with your own private guide, chef, and butler at your beck and call. Wherever you decide to stay at Grootbos, be assured of supreme comfort, luxury, and style, while you discover and experience the wonders of this unique floral and marine eco-paradise. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve. Luxury in harmony with nature.